hopefully I'll get all the words right. We'll have a good time with this, okay? All right. Officer Buckle and Gloria. Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone else in Naples. Every time he thought of a new one, he thumbtacked it to his bulletin board. Safety tip number 77, never stand on a swivel chair. Officer Buckle shared his safety tips with the students at Nateville School. Nobody ever listened. Sometimes they were snoring. Afterward, it was business as usual. Mrs. Topple, the principal, took down the welcome banner. Never stand on a swivel chair, said Officer Buckle. But Mrs. Topple didn't hear him.